usembot menteri rangma ka jylla ba preston tensong ula ong ba Iaroh iki seng ba pher ki belek ban khynra iki kot kisla jong ki nong trai bam dei trai jylla henrei lo batha pat iki ba ki dei ban pentikna ba kanum dan satya kanu ka jing berngam ni penting pat iki Henry lada ki lek pat ringkat ke jing berngam lani ke jing penjenjar ki lani kanu ka anhi kan numsha ban ne kumta ula ong aga jo kapor usembot menteri rangba ula ong ru ba usngau tenat lada ki seng bat ki kenhun ki lek ban khynra namar kan ni kan pelong ye ki tu ki nong bala ki ba wan na ki wei ki jylla ba kin penbiang ye ki kot kisla lada kempat don
plan of government is very clear. Whoever trying to check the documents of the of friends, maybe the interstate laborers coming into our state, we welcome them, but at the same time they need to make sure that they possess the required documents as laid down by the act from time to time. Number two, of course, I've seen a number of pressure groups. Sometimes they went to the site and then checked, and then ultimately they found out that some of them they don't possess that required document. So it seems what they said, please go and collect and bring the document. So I think that is okay. But if they go beyond that, suppose the pressure group, if they go beyond that by threatening or by torturing them, whatever, I think that law does not allow.